Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a square. I use 6 mm hook and 6 mm yarn. You can use any hook and any yarn in different projects. You can use different hook and yarn size. Make a magic circle, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn. In here, continue like this. Make 1, 2 chains. I make 2 chains. Yarn over, go to this ring, this magic circle. Stitch first round in this ring. Pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. I show with double crochet stitches. You can make motifs with single crochet stitches, half double crochet. In here I show by double crochet. I make 1 double crochet. Go to this ring, pull up yarn, pull through, make 2 double crochet. In here we have 2 double crochet. With these chains we have 1, 2, 3 stitches in total. Make 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, pull through, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Make 1, 2, 3 chains. Go to magic circle, high tail of yarn under stitches, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Continue 1, 2, 3 chains. Go to this ring, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. For make corner in here, add 1 chain, yarn over. We have 3 chains in here. Go to top of first chains, insert your hook under this yarns, take 2 loops, unhook, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, and complete first corner. Continue like this. Make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to first corner, pull up yarn, make 1 double crochet, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet. Now we have 1, 2, 3 stitches. In granny stitch, continue like this. Make first corner, skip this stitch, skip this stitch, make a chain, go to next corner, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains. Go to same corner, make corner, 1, 2, 3, add 1 chain. Go to here, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains. Go to same corner, 1, 2, 3, make a chain, go to this corner, 1, 2, 3, make 3 stitches, chains, 3 stitches, make a chain, skip this stitch. We made half of one corner in first corner. Complete this corner like this. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, add 1 chain, yarn over, go to top of this chains, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, and make corner. Continue like this. Make 2 chains, same as before, row. Corner in top of this stitch, make a chain, skip this stitch, go to this hole, make 1 2 3 double crochet, and repeat. Make corner, make a chain, I show, make a chain, make a corner, add 3 double crochet in this stitch, and in next rows continue same as this rows, increase stitches in these stitches.